Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable FPS meter on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the browser app on your smartphone. Now from here, just search up to down. Now from here, just open this website. Now from here, just search FPS meter. Now from here, just download this app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Get the latest version. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Download. Now from here, tap on Download again. Now from here, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Update. Now from here, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Start. Now as you can see, this is how you can enable the FPS meter. Now from here, you can change the place of the FPS meter. You can move it to the left side, just like that, as you can see. Or you can move it to the right side, just like that. Also, you can change it from top to bottom, just like that. And also from here, you can change the text color. Now from here, you can change the text size, just like that. And also, you can disable show background. Now when you disable this option, the background will disappear. Now when you enable this option, a white background will appear on your FPS meter. Now as you can see, it is showing that the smartphone is giving 60 FPS on this game. Now, as you can see, this is how you can enable the FPS meter on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.